Hello dear students, how are you? Hope so you are doing great. This is Lakshmi, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of examinations that are very simple, amazing, super duper tips and tricks I'm using to crack the any topic in easy way, simple way to save the time, especially in competitive level of examinations. Today topic is a very important topic. It is important to everyone's life. For example, employees can do the day and night work to impress their boss, and business people can give the more and more offers to attract the customers. As well as politicians can launch different types of the projects to attract the people. Like that, everywhere else, this is a place very important role, especially students life. It's a place very important role. Can you guess what is that? Can you? Yes, that is simply, yes, for this one I have given the small examples to you. So not only those fields, everywhere else most of the people are fighting to get into their better position, means what, for the their better rank. Students life, almost all everyone can do the work, can do the hard work to settle their life, to get the better ranks, especially to their from their competitive examinations, to settle their life. Okay, so maths also decided why I'm not in that race. I am also in that race. Like wording, means what, finding the rank of the word. There will be possibility rank of the numbers as well as rank of matrices. Today's topic is rank of matrices. Simply, what is the today's topic? Rank of matrices. There will be some methods are there to find out the rank of matrices. Most of the students are confusion, have the doubt which method we can follow. Just simple way, easy way, I'm explaining the one of the method that is very helpful to you to crack the any type of the matrix rank. Okay, are you ready? So without delay, let's get started. Yes, you have to know few things regarding the rank of matrix. First of all, I have given you few things regarding the, what are those? Number of non-zero rows in echelon form. If you given matrix in the form of echelon, then in which how many non-zero rows are there, that number indicates its rank. What is this? Number of non-zero rows in echelon form of given matrix. What is the echelon form? I will explain. First of all, what is the rank? Number of non-zero rows in echelon form. This is most important tip I'm going to use. For any type of matrix, we can register into echelon form. Then from that, we can find out rank. How many non-zero rows are there? That number indicates rank. I will explain how we can register into echelon form. What is echelon form? How can you recognize rank of a given matrix? Is it clear? First of all, what are the major points you have to know? And also rank of the matrix. Order of non-zero matrix. What is the order of non-zero matrix? That is also indicates rank of the matrix. Non-zero means what? Non-singular, sorry. Order of non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means what? The determinant of matrix is not equals to 0. The order of the non-singular matrix indicates rank. That is also one method. And also rank of unit matrix of order n is n. Unit matrix also known as identity matrix. If identity matrix of order n, identity matrix is always squared matrix. That's why you can write n by n is, we can take it as n also. So rank of the unit matrix of order n is simply n. Without doing, we can pick up the what is that order, that is only its rank for unit matrix. And also next point, rank of matrix is minimum 1. You know that clearly students can get the rank, top rank is 1 and least rank is somewhere else. Okay, means minimum rank is there 1. Same way here also, rank of the matrix minimum is 1. Maximum is what, or maybe that order. Maybe if it is order n by n, if it is non-singular, that is only its n. So like that, we can recognize some few points regarding the, what is that? Rank of matrix. And also, what is the rank of the unit matrix of order n is 1. Rank of matrix minimum is 1. Minimum is 1, but except one case, it is 0. In which case? That is for null matrix. Only null matrix rank is only 0. For any type of matrix, simple I am explaining one of the method. For that method, just if you know the addition, subtraction, simple multiplication, if you know, that's enough. There is no difficult at all. If you know that method, any type of matrix, we can find out rank easily. For that method, what you have to think? For that method, we can use elementary transformations. Elementary transformations means we can subtract the rows to columns, maybe add rows to columns, like that, to reduce into the form. That form is nothing but echelon form. What is that form? Echelon form. What is echelon form? Writing here. It will be in the form of, like, first element is must be 1, remaining elements some a1, b1, next element 0, some a2, b2. Then suppose 3 by 3 matrix is there, a 0, 0, some a3 is there. This is final echelon form. First element is 1, remaining elements are some non-zero elements. Here zeros will be, don't think only 3 of them are zeros, rest of them are not zeros. Maybe these are also zeros. Zeros are increasing towards downwards. Okay, if there is no possibility to reduce into further, that is finally we can take it as a echelon form. Okay, what is not reducing means what? For using the elementary transformations. Elementary transformation means either row transformations as well as column transformations, but here I am using exclusively row transformations. We can add any row to other row, we can subtract any row to other row, like that. So those rules you know very well from your board examination point of view. That is all I am using there. If we given the given matrix, any type of the matrix, we can reduce into echelon form. Maybe not only 3 by 3, maybe 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 2 by 3. Any type of matrix we can reduce into echelon form. After reducing into echelon form, how many non-zero rows are there in that form? That number indicates rank. In this example, so in this general form, how many non-zero rows are there? There will be 3 non-zero rows are there. First row is a non-zero row. What is the meaning of non-zero row? At least one non-zero element is there, that is called as non-zero row. This is non-zero row, all are non-zero elements. Here there will be 2 non-zero elements, this is also non-zero row. Here there is one element, non-zero element, this is also non-zero row. That number indicates rank. In this example, how many non-zero rows are there? 3 are there, therefore its rank is 3. Now suppose if there is a possibility you can reduce, this is also 0. Suppose in case of this is also 0 if you reduce. So last row becomes what? Last row becomes what? 0 row, because all elements are zeros. Here in this form, how many non-zero rows are there? In this form clearly 2 non-zero rows are there, 1 and 2, because this is 0. 0 row means what? Every element of that row must be 0. So here in this one, how many non-zero rows are there? 2 non-zero rows are there. Therefore, for this one, what is the rank? Is 2. So to reduce into echelon form, we can use which transformations I said? We can use simply elementary row transformations. For that, you have to know simple application that to additions and subtractions enough. So I will do the hints one by one. We can now come across or can reduce into echelon form of any type of matrix. Now look at the question number 1. Rank of this matrix is asked. To find out this rank, I am using the R2 replaced as R2 minus R1, as well as R3 replaced as R3 minus R1 or R2 also you can take. So now this becomes what? R2, R3 are changed. What is not changed? R1 is not changed. R1 is as is, we can write 1, 1, 1. R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1, 0. This is also 0, 0. R3 minus R1 also 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. So this is on a final form. This is one of the echelon form. So in this one, we can reduce this is into 1 non-zero row, 2 zero rows are there. So how many non-zero rows are there here? Only 1 non-zero row. That is only its rank. Therefore, rank is a 1. Simply, rank is 1. Don't think this 1 is a rank. How many non-zero rows are there? That number indicates its rank. This is final echelon form. Like that, we can reduce a given form into echelon form. From that we can recognize how many non-zero rows are there. That number indicates its blank. That's it. Okay, one by one I will do. We can get the idea how we can proceed for reducing the digits into echelon form, as well as which operations we can use, etc. We can come across. So no need to worry. Okay, right. Now come to the question number 2. In this question number 2 is given that A is asked, then rank A. To find out rank A, first element is already 1, no need to worry. We can concentrate these two first. These two must be zeros, we can concentrate. Both are the, this is 2, this is a 1. 2 minus 2 only will be 0. That's why I am taking R2 replaced as R2 minus 2R1. Because of here, 2 into 2 is 2, sorry, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, then this becomes 0. What are maybe rest of the elements? We'll think after taking this operation. Next, what about next R3? R3 we can simply, here both are equal, R3 replaced as R3 minus R2. Now this is equals to 1, 2, 3. Actually this is called as equivalence matrix. In objective point of view, no need to follow all those rules. 1, 2, 3. So now this is 2 into, here I said to you, we can use additions and subtractions, simple way, easy way, like this. You know, additions and subtractions, to reduce zeros also I'm doing the small hint, but to reduce it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, here 2 reduce here, this is what R2, I'm writing R2 as what, 2, 3, 1, R2 minus 2 R1. R1 elements multiply with the 2, that is 2 R1, that's 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. Then what you are doing here? Subtraction. By the subtraction, what will happen? Signs will be changed. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 minus 6 is minus 1. This is in place of what? R2 we can write simply. That's it. There is no difficulty, just you know the subtractions. So you can reduce 2, 3, 1 as 0, minus 1, minus 5. Now what about next? Next directly it is there. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Yes. After that, we cannot do this for this anything. If you do anything, again you can get the element here. Okay. Now we can concentrate on the last row. What is the last row? 0, minus 2, 2. We can reduce this as a 0. To reduce this as 0, we can use these two only. Don't use this is. If you use this is 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0 like that. Again here element will come. If you choose these two, what happened? Already here zeros are there. 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 only. That's why there is no effect here. Here this small smartness here important. Minus 2, we can take with the minus 1 like that. So to reduce this as 0, last row as 0, here this is 0. Already minus 2 is there, it is multiplied with 2, then make the subtraction like R3 replaced as R3 minus 2 R2. For that also I am doing the work. R3, what is R3? 0 minus 2 to 2 R2. R2 is multiplied with 2, that is 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into minus 5, minus 2. Again we are doing subtraction. By the subtraction, signs will be changed here, plus, here, plus. This is 0, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 2 plus 10, 12. So what is the last row? Here what happened? First two rows are as it is, 1, 2, 3. Second row, 0, minus 1, minus 5. There is effect in third row. What is third row there? 0, 0, 1. Yes, this is only final echelon form. So you cannot reduce further. This is called as one of the echelon form. So from this one, what you can observe that? How many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 are the non-zero rows only because their value is there. If it is 0, then it will be 2. But here, 3 are the non-zero rows. What is the rank now? Rank is equal to 3. So like that.
See the question number 3. Here also we can find out rank. To find out rank, as usual, what I said, echelon form method. To find out to reduce into echelon form, what you can do. What is the first row? 1, 2, minus 1. That is as it is we can take. So second row already 0 is there. Be happy because of 0 is already there. We no need to worry to reduce into 0. Here 1 is there, 1 will be 0. When it is R3 replaced, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 like that. You know, first row is as it is 1, 2 minus 1. Second row 0, 3, 4. Third row 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus a minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes, this is only echelon form. This is final. So here how many non-zero rows are there? There will be 3 non-zero rows. The 1, 2, 3. Therefore, what is its rank? Rank is clearly 3. That's it. Clear? Within fraction of seconds you can get sometimes. Sometimes you can take them maybe nearly 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Like that. Depends on given question. Right? So we can come forward some more questions. Are you ready? Right. See the question number 4. What is this order? This is clearly there will be 4 rows and 3 columns. This is 4 by 3 matrix. Here for this also same method we can come across. Just simply reduce it to echelon form. That's it. We can start from the R2 here. R2, R3, R4 we can reduce as zeros these. For that I'm taking the 3 of them are take with R1, that is better. I'm taking R1, R2 replaced as R2 minus 4R1. Here 1 is there, 4 into 1, 4 minus 4, 0. Then only I have taken R2 replaced as R2 minus 4R1. Next R3. Here R3 replaced as R3 minus 3R1. Next R4. R4 is replaced as R4 here 1, here also 1. Simply R4 minus R1 we can take. All of them we can take with the first row, that is better without confusion. Now it becomes what? First row is as is 1, 2 minus 1. Second row. I have given the hint to you. What is the R2 here? 4. Here we can multiply, this is 4. 4 1 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Here 4 2 8. 1 minus 8 minus 7. I have done rough work. How can you do it? We can proceed that one if there is any confusion. I am doing here directly. Already explained to you for previous questions. Now 4 ones 4 with minus 4. 2 minus a minus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Next 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. We are multiplying with 3. 3 to 6. Minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Right. 3 ones 3. Minus 3. 1 minus a minus 3 plus 3. 1 plus 3 4. Right. Now we can take direct subtraction 0. 2 minus 2 0. 0 minus a minus 1 is plus 1. Right. Okay. After reducing this, now we cannot touch the row 2, because if we touch this one to reduce, this is 0 again, element will come here. We cannot move for that one. We can start with the R3. R3 with the R2 we can take. That much care you have to take. R2 with the R3. After that we can move for the last element. First I am taking here what? R3 replaced as R3 minus R2, because here minus 7 is there, here minus 7 is there. By the subtraction it becomes 0. That's why simply here what is the first row? 1 2 minus 1 as it is. Second row 0 minus 7 6 is as it is. Third row R3 minus R2, 0 minus 0 0. Minus 7 minus 1 minus plus 7 0. 4 minus 6 minus 2. What is the last row? 0 0 1 already is there. That is I have taken as it is. Now we can come to the last row here. We cannot touch the third row now. Second row we cannot, third row we cannot. Now we can concentrate on the fourth row. What is fourth row here? 0 0 1 is there. 1 becomes 0 when using these two properties like this. R4 replaced 2 R4, because here 1 is there. If we multiply this is 2, then only it becomes 2. 2 with the minus sign is already there. That's why we can take plus R3. Don't take the subtraction here. Why? Because already both of them are opposite signs. If both are the same sign, then we can make the subtractions like this. Clear? Now this becomes what? So this is a tends to first row 1 2 minus 1, 0 minus 7 6, 0 0 minus 2, third row, last row, fourth row 0 0 0. Yes, this is only our final echelon form. From this form, how many non-zero rows are there? Tell me. Yes, there will be clearly 3 non-zero rows are there. 1, 2, 3. This is 0 row. So how many non-zero rows are there? That number only its rank. Therefore, what is rank of this matrix? Rank is clearly 3. Clear? Whatever may be the type. In objective type, we won't give the simply 2 by 2, 3 by 3. May give the any type of the matrix. We can concentrate. How can you find out its rank? So simply you can do the practice. Echelon form is very simple. There is no difficult at all. If there is any confusion, subtraction, use a rough work. Simple work. That's it. Clear? Now you can come to the next question. Next question is what? Fifth question also same method. So I'm using only one tip, that is echelon form. That's it. Yes. Now for this one, what you can do? Tell me. As usual, we can concentrate these two are zeros. First row is as it is 1, 1, 1 minus 2. This is taken as 0. What you can take? R2 replaced R2 minus R1 and R3 replaced R3 minus 3R1. I am using both of them. Here 1 minus 1 0, directly you can take the subtraction. But to reduce it is 0, this is multiplied with the 3. That's why R3 minus 3R1 I have taken. Now what is second row? R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus a minus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2 3. Right. Here this is multiplied with the 3. 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 3 0, 3 into 3 1 minus 3 minus 2, 3 into 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 8. Next 3 2s are 6 minus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now you cannot do anything for the second row. Now you can concentrate on the last row. In the last row, what is the first element? 0 already. Second element, we can concentrate to reduce it is 0. So you can use these two only. Already said. So repeatedly, same method, same tips only. Just you have to concentrate where we have to get the 0. That's it. To reduce into echelon form. Now this is as I'm taking this is 0. We can use these two. That is R3 replaced as R3 plus 2R2. Why it is a plus? Because already your minus sign is there, your plus sign is there. Both are the opposite signs. You can take the addition, right? Now R2 replace R1 is as it is 1 1 1 minus 2. R2 is also same as 1 0 1 2 3. Now R3 plus 2R2. This is already 0. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 plus 2 0. 2 2 is 4 minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. 2 3 6, 10 minus 6 is 10 plus 6 16. We are adding. That's it. This is final form. We cannot reduce further. So here how many non-zero rows are there? There are clearly 3 non-zero rows. Here rows we can call, not columns. How many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2, 3. Those are called as horizontal lines. The row is nothing but horizontal line. So what is the rank of this is? Rank is 3. That's it. Clear? Now these are the very simple. You have to concentrate on echelon form reduction. Given form into echelon form. I am giving the hints also. I can follow those hints. We can do any type of matrix simply easily. So look at the come to the question number 6. What is this type? This is there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 by 3 matrix. Same method you can concentrate on echelon form reduction. So same first row as it is, second row already here 0. Be happy. These two you have to concentrate to reduce into zeros. Now you can concentrate on R3 as R3 minus R1 shall I? 1 minus 1, right. Next R4. R4 with R4 minus 2R1, right. We can use this also, but you can take one row, that is better. So this is first 2 rows are as it is 1 0 2 0 1 minus 2. Now this is R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 0 is 0, minus 1, right. 4 minus 2 is 2, right. Next 2, this is multiplied with 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 0 0, 2 minus 0 0. 2 2's 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Right. So now I can concentrate on third row. Third row means these two have to do. R3 with the R2. Those two are same value, opposite sign. Simply you can take the addition. So what you can take now? R3 replaced as R3 plus R2. Now this becomes 1 0 2. First two rows you can copy down as it is 0 1 minus 2. Third row R3 plus R2. These two should add 0 0 plus 0 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Minus 2 plus 2 0. 0 0 4. Okay. Now you can consider these are the, again we can interchange these two also. In place of the R4 and R3 we can make the interchange if there is any confusion. That is only final form. Otherwise this is only final form. We cannot reduce 4 is 0. If you want to reduce this is 0, somewhere else again element will come. That's why I can live like that. In case of subject wise, we can rewrite these two are interchanging. In object wise, no need to worry. How many non-zero rows are there? We can count like this also. So how many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 non-zero rows. This is 0 row. Therefore, what is its rank? Rank is clearly 3, right? Clear? Now, come to the next question number 7. I'm doing the all models, maybe type of matrices. I will give the some questions to you for your work. Compulsory can try. So now come to this one. This is you can register as 0, that is R2 replaced as R2 minus 2R1. R3 as it is, R3 replaces R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1, like first row as it is 1, 2, 3, 1. Second row 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 2's 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 2 3 6, 6 minus 6, 0. 2 1's 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Yes, third row. Those two are subtraction, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. This is only final form. Within fraction of seconds you can get it. Now how many non-zero rows are there here? 1, 2, because middle row becomes 0. So there will be 2 non-zero rows of this echelon form. What is the rank? Rank is 2. That's it. So are you following? So sometimes he may go the rank, he may ask the unknown value. You know, objective type, he may frame the question in any angle. He may ask directly or indirectly. So many types of angles he may ask. That is up to him. So that is only competition. In the competition, you have to, if you want to win, compulsory, you have to think the one question in different angles. That the concept, magical tips and tricks most helpful to you to crack any type of questions. Now look at next questions. Question number 8. Till now I did the rank finding, but in these two questions 8 and 9 rank is given, is asking some unknown value in the given matrix. These two are given in MSET 2014, this is 2017. In both of them what you can observe that, you know, I said already in multiple angles you may give the question. Here what is given question? 8 as 8th question are given to you. If the matrix, so and so matrix is of rank 3, what is the rank of this matrix is given as 3, then alpha is asking. Here some alpha is there, some unknown value alpha is there in the given matrix. We can find out that alpha by using the rank is 3. So to use the rank is 3, you can reduce into echelon form. Just what I said, echelon form, you know very well. That is what I am using here. Second row, third row, fourth row, you can concentrate with the first row. To reduce, these are zeros. So like R2 replaced as, here 2 here with the 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, then only it is 0. That's why I can write R2 minus 2R1. Same way R3, this is 3, here multiply with 3. R3 replaced as R3 minus 3R1. Then finally R4. R4 is replaced as, here 6 here, multiply with 6. R4 minus 6 R1. 3 of them I am using with R1. That is easy way, simple way. Now, what is here? We can concentrate first row as it is 1, 2, 3, 0. Second row 2 with minus 2, 0. 2 2s 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 2 3 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3. If there is any confusion, I said to you, how can you use a rough work? Already I did for first questions. We can proceed that rough work. I think so you know very well, but even though there is any confusion in additions and subtractions, simple multiplications with 2 and 3, we can do the rough work. That is up to in your hand. Okay, that is in your hand only. That is up to you. 0, 0, minus 3. Now, yet 2 into 0, 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Right. Now, come to with this one. With 3. 3 minus 3 into 3 1 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 2 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Right. 1 with 3 3 is 9. 1 minus 9 minus 8. 3 0 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Right. Next last row with multiply with 6. 6 here, 6 minus 6, 0. 8 with 6 to 12. 8 minus 12 minus 4. Next. 6 3 is 18. 7 minus 18 is minus 11. Right. Next 0. 6 0 0. Alpha minus 0 is alpha. Right. So till here okay. Now we can concentrate on what? So R2, R3 if we exchange. First row as it is R2, 1 2 3 zeros. Second row be taken as 0 minus 4 minus 8 3. Third row, second row is as a third row 0 0 minus 3 2. Last row 0 minus 4 minus 11 alpha. Right. Here there is no problem. Here we can't do anything for this one, but you can reduce this as a 0. R2, this is which place? Sorry, this is R4. R4 with R2 if use, then this becomes 0. Now what I am using? R4 replaced as R4 minus R2. Why it is minus? Because of minus 4. Minus of minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. Now what is this one? This is simply 1 2 3 0 row 1 R1 as it is, R2 as it is, 0 minus 4 minus 8 3. Now what I am doing? R3 is also as it is, 0 3 minus 0 0 0 0 minus 3 2. 0 0 minus 3 2, that is R3 as it is. Now what I am doing? R4 minus R2. 0 minus 0 0. Minus 4 minus of plus 4 0. Minus 11 with the plus 8 becomes. Minus 11 plus 8 is 3 with the minus. Alpha minus 3. Right. Is it clear? Again one more step you can do. To reduce this is 0. You can reduce this is also 0. To reduce this is 0, what you can take? We can take R4 with the R3. Now I am doing that is a 1 2 3 0. 0 minus 4 minus 8 3. 0 0 minus 3 2. What is the last row? What is the last row? 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. Minus 3 plus 3 0. 0 0 0. What is the last element? Alpha minus 3 with minus 2 means alpha minus 5. Right. So this is final echelon form. In this one we can observe that there will be 4 non-zero rows, means what? Rank will be 4 actually, but what is given that? Given that rank is 3. Rank is 3 means what? Last row, last element must be 0. Then only it is rank is 3. Last row, last element is what here? Alpha minus 5. Means indirectly alpha minus 5 is a 0. Alpha minus 5 is 0 means what? Why I am taking alpha minus 5 is 0? Alpha minus 5 is 0. Why I am taking? Because of rank is 3. Rank is 3 means what? There will be 3 non-zero rows must be. These 3 are 3 non-zero rows. This will be 0 row when alpha minus 5 is 0. Right? That's why alpha minus 5 is 0 means indirectly alpha is a 5. So for this we have to do few steps extra. We have to concentrate on the reduction of echelon form as well as using the rank 3. Clear?
So here what he has given the rank, then we can find out some unknown value. For this question we did few more steps extra, but process is same. There is no difficult at all. What is the process? You know very well what I did for previous questions. Now, so simple way, easy way, you can concentrate on next question. So here I have given the options also. Shall I? So what is this question? Tell me. Which is given 2017 of MSET. Here given that A is a matrix xxx, xx square x, x plus 1 of rank 1. What is given that rank is 1. Rank is 1, I said to you, minimum of the rank is 1. So maximum is whatever may be that order. Other than the, what is that? Other than null matrix. Only null matrix rank is 0. Here already options also given. Simply we can use options. Suppose first option x is equals to 0. If you substitute x is equal to 0 means what? This is 0 row, this is 0 row, 0 0 here 1 means what? There will be only one non-zero. Rank is 1. So rank is 1, it's okay. But if you use x is equals to 1, what happened? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 will come. Here 1 minus 1 0, but yet not equal to 0 means what? If you take the x is equal to 0, by the verification x is 0, clearly what? Rank is 1. So it is matched with this one. Rank is 1 given. For x is 0 means it may be third option, maybe first option also. In first option also there is a 0 as well as 1. We can check at 1 also. X is equals to 1. For x is equal to 1, what happened here? The matrix becomes 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2. Here we can reduce only one row, only 0. R1 replaced as R1 minus R2. We can suppose do 1 0 0 0 here, 1 1 1 1 1 2 we can get. So what this rank? This rank is what? 2, not 1, because of there are 2 non-zero rows. Therefore x is equals to 1. If you take, the rank becomes 2. But what is given rank? Rank is given as 1 means what? 100%. What is correct one? X is 0 only. X is 0 in which option? Yes, it is clearly third option. Like that we can use the options help also for easiness purpose. Clear? These are the various questions I did, depends upon the rank of the matrix. Hope so you followed well. Easy way, simple way, you can follow the echelon form. For that just you have to concentrate on reducing zeros. For that simple additions and subtractions, simple one digit multiplications. Is it clear? It's a very important. There is no difficult at all. Submatrix method also we can use. For that you have to think the more points. Sometimes you can get the easy, sometimes it's unable to do easily. That's why you have to follow the echelon form. That is useful for your higher studies also. Suppose if you are in engineering graduation, if you are studying engineering, there are echelon forms, normal forms and so on. For those students also this is most helpful. That's why you can follow some method. That method is you should follow. If you do some questions, it will be easy for you. There is no difficult at all. So I will give some questions for your work. Try to do. You can mention your answer in the comment box. Can you? Yes, some questions are given to your work. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are given to your work. Try to do it. Definitely you can get it. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment box. Whatever maybe you are getting answer along with your work, question number YW, question number 1, 2, 3 like that. So definitely I will check it. Maybe we are getting the rank is what? Maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2. There is no question of 0 here because of there is no null matrix here. Only for null matrix only rank 0. Whatever maybe your answer you can mention in the comment box. Definitely I will check it. So any other doubts you can now contact through my mail ID which is given in the video with your WhatsApp number. So I will conclude this topic today. So next video I will come with new topic. Till then, bye.